Hearted Woman. It is written by Paterson. It is a beginner level line dance, 32 counts, 4 walls, no bridges, tags or restarts. These are the steps, this is how it goes. Our weight is on our left as we're moving forward with our right. 7, 8. Step forward, left together into a side shuffle with our left foot sliding back, right together into a left together quarter. So the counts there are 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Our next section is forward rock coasters, right and left foot. Forward recover, right coaster. Forward recover, left coaster. Those counts are 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We'll keep on going. Third section is quarter pivot cross side 2 back points. Step forward with your right. Quarter pivot, weight is on your left. Cross right over, left to the side, weight is left as we move our right foot back, point left and click with your fingers, back left, point right, click with your fingers. Those counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section, back, recover, step quarter pivot, rocking chair. Rock back right, recover left, step forward right, quarter pivot, and a right rocking chair, rock, recover, back, recover. Those counts are 1, recover 2, 3, turn 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and to start the dance again, forward, together, side shuffle. Let's do the whole dance from the top with counts. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, back 7, 8, back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll do the second wall a little bit faster from the top with calls. 7, 8. Step together, side shuffle, back together, quarter shuffle. Forward recover, right coaster, forward recover, left coaster. Step quarter pivot, cross side, back, point, back, recover, step quarter pivot, rocking chair. Now the third wall we will do faster again, although it's not a fast dance, but we'll do that with counts to bring us to the ending at 9 o'clock. At 9 o'clock wall. So we've done our rocking chair. So it's rocking chair, rocking chair. 1 together 2, 3 and 4, 5 together 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now when we're facing this, we're on the 13th wall. We'll be facing 9 o'clock and we're going to just dance 6 counts only. Then we're going to step back, quarter turn right, touch. So the first 6 are like this, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Our weight is on our right. We're going to step back, quarter turn right and touch. End of dance. Good one, Stephen.